Hello, my dear friends. This is Amita Mishra, and I'm back with our PowerPoint presentation. In last video, I taught you how to create a simple PowerPoint presentation by using text and clipart. But today I'm going to show you how to give different effect to your background for your PowerPoint presentation. So for that, I'm taking the previous presentation itself. We'll just open a presentation which is already created. So two different methods you can use to give the background effect to your PPT. First one, you need to just click on your slide. I'm right clicking on my slide. Go to the format background. You can use solid fill, means you can use any of the color whatever you like. If you are not like this any color, so we will go to more color option and you can choose the color whatever you like according to your wish. You can change by using custom colors the different scale of the color. Okay, so at that time you can apply to all the solid fill of a single color. You can see when we click on apply to all, this color is applied to all our slides. Second option is gradient fill. You can choose the by default fields are given any of them, and again to apply all, so it will be applied to all your slide. If you want, you can change the colors from here according to your wish, so it will be applied. Similarly the directions also, so this way you can change the gradient fill effect. Third one is picture or texture. So basically if you want to add any texture, you can just click on that and again apply to all, so the texture will apply to all your slide. Next option is pictures. So for adding the picture, we will go to the file option. It will show you the by default pictures available in your screen. I'm just clicking on one and doing insert, so it will be apply to the particular slide. If you want to apply to all the slide, at that time you need to go and press to apply all, so it will be applied to all the slides. At the same time, if you want, you can change the color of the picture like this by selecting any of the color effect to that picture. So this way you can change it, but right now we don't want to do any changes, so I will go for the first one. I will go to the next field. You can add clip art also, so whatever the clip art you like, you can use it as an background like this, and it will be add to the background. Now if you don't want any kind of these changes, you can directly go to the reset background, so the background will be as before. I'll just close this one. Next option is to go to the design. You can choose the design which is by default given in the Microsoft Office. Any of the design you can choose and you can apply to all that. files. So this way you can choose any design. If you want, you can change the colors of the design by going to the color panel. Whenever you will slide the colors, it will show you one by one effect of the different colors and combination. Now same as well, you will see the slideshow from beginning, and this is the slides which are now with a different theme and background. Thank you for watching the video, and next time I'm going to show you in our next video how to use different animation transactions and different animation effects. So for that, stay tuned with Expand Knowledge and keep following our channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt in comment area. Now I'm just closing the window and say bye. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you.